Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I discussed about the geometrical terms. Today we will discuss the most important topic of geometry, that is angles. So what is angle? An angle is a point from where the two rays extend. This forms here angle. So what is angle? When the two rays extends from a fixed point, which is called the vertex or common end point between the two arms. Suppose this is, I name it as P, R. So here O is the vertex, P and OR are the arms of angle O. So you can see here angle is denoted by symbol this. Now there are three ways to represent angles. What are these three ways? First is the common endpoint, that is angle O. Second is we will keep this O as the center and we'll write the other symbols like angle POR, which is equal to angle. In other way we can write ROP. So O should be in the middle, means the angle which is formed at the vertex at the common endpoint of the two ray, we have to write it in the middle. And the third is, suppose if we number it here as 1, so we will write simply here angle 1. So these are the three ways to represent angle. Coming towards our next topic, and exterior of an angle. So we will explain with the help of an example. We'll take an example again. We will draw two rays with the fixed endpoint O. Suppose we write here A, B, and here is one angle formed. Now suppose if I write here randomly some points P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Now we have to check the region that comes inside the two rays, inside the two arms, that is the interior of an angle. That portion is, that points are called the interior of an angle. So this is called the inside part of angle, and exterior, with the name itself it suggests the outside part of the angle. So the points which comes in the portion between the arms of these two rays, between OA and OB, is the interior of the angle. So interior points will be point R and point S, and exterior will be point T, point U. Now what about these points P, Q, A, V, W, B? These are on the arms of the angle formed. So these are neither interior nor exterior. Okay, so which comes inside this range between the two rays, inside these two rays, these are what? Interior, and the outside these rays, the points are called the exterior point of an angle. Take a brief explanation with the help of this question. You can see here there is one figure with a point L, M and N, and it forms an angle. So what are the questions? Name the marked angle. Now what is the marked angle here? Angle is formed, we have to write angle symbol N, L in the between, because at point L only angle is formed. M is equal to angle, we can write in other way also, M, again L in the between, N. So this is the marked angle which is formed. Name the vertex of the angle. Vertex is the common endpoint where the two rays meet. So point L, we have to write here full, point L is the vertex of the angle. name the arms of an angle. What are the arms of angle? L, N and L, M are the arms of an angle. Very easy. Suppose if there is a point here, suppose A. So this is what point A is, the interior of the angle. If there is a point here Z, this is the exterior of the angle. Very easy. Coming towards our next concept, because how to measure an angle. Now we know how to form an angle. When the two rays meet and with the common endpoint, we get an angle. Now how we will measure an angle? There is an instrument for measuring an angle which is called as protractor. This is a protractor here, okay, and its division you can see here. From there is a middle point which is named as 0 here. Like how you measure in a line, there are small divisions, small scales. Each scale is measured in degrees, okay. So this is a symbol to measure the angle, and you can see here from 0, 10 up to 180 is here. Again from 0 it starts here and it is 180. So there are two scale here, inner scale, and this is what is outer scale. This is named like that. So when we are measuring in inner scale, we have to follow anti-clockwise direction. What is this anti-clockwise direction? When we start here from the 0, then we will go anti-clockwise. When we will start from this 0, then we are going clockwise direction. Okay. This is the way we have to analyze a protractor. Now how we will take the measurement of the degrees from this protractor? Let's see. So when we have to measure an angle less than 180 degree, we use a protractor, because we have 180 degree scale on this protractor. Suppose if we have to measure degree, suppose 30 degree. So how you will measure it? We will take a scale, we'll draw a line here. This is a line segment, suppose OA. Now what we have to do here is, we can take this also as an end point or this also as an end point. Any one we can choose. Now I am choosing here the left part. That is, left part means what I have to do? I have to take the inner scale. Inner scale starts with here inside 0, 10, 20 and 30. So I will mark here as 30. How you measure a scale? Same way we have to use the protractor also. And then I will mark here a line from this fixed point O. We'll draw a line here, and this is what OB, I'll name it as OB. This angle formed here is 30 degree. Very easy. Similarly, you can form, suppose if you want to make 110 degree, because still less than 180 degree we have here protractor, so we can use it very easily. We will draw again here a line, and again we will, if you want to use now this time this as the end point, so what we have to do, we have to keep this here protractor, and since we are using the right side, we will take the outer scale 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 70 and 80 and so on. We come here stuck at a point 110 degree, and we will draw a line over here joining the points. This is what, this forms an angle 110 degree. Okay, so these are both the ways. This I had measured with the inner scale, this with the outer scale. Both the way you can use. Okay, inner scale with the anti-clockwise direction and outer scale goes clockwise direction. This is the method to use the protractor. Now what if we have to measure an angle more than 180 degree? Now if we have to measure for more than 180 degree, what we have to do is, suppose this is a straight line, okay, till 180 degree in the protractor, from 0 it starts and then to all the angles till 180 degree we can make through protractor. But if you have to measure angle more than 180 degree, then again there is one rotation of the, suppose we keep here once protractor, here once protractor. So how it will be measured? 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is what, 360 degree. So from the fixed point, when we rotate one complete rotation, when there is one complete rotation, then angle, sum of the angle will be what? 360 degree, or the total of this angle is 360 degree, 180 and again 180. So this forms 360 degree. Now suppose this is a circle. If I divide this circle into 4 equal parts, okay, so this is the fixed point. What will be the measurement of these angles? How we can measure? Now we see here, this from this, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. There is one complete rotation. So sum of this angles will be what? 360 degree. And when we divide it by 4, because 4 equal parts, so it will be what? 90 degree. So each angle will measure here 90 degree. Very easy. Suppose same way, if this is a circle, I divide this circle into 3 equal parts. So what will be the required angle formed? Again, one complete rotation, the total angle is 360 degree. When we have to divide it with 3, the answer comes here 120 degree. So each angle formed here is 120 degree. Very easy. Coming towards our next concept. So next topic is kinds of angles. Kinds of angles I am going to explain you with this paper fan here. Suppose this is a paper fan closed. When the fan is closed, suppose I name it here as 0, O and A. Okay. O, B. Now this is closed. So what is the degree here? Here degree formed is 0 degree. Okay. At this angle, no rays is extended. So the degree is 0 degree. Okay. Now suppose, and if I extend one ray if I extend here like this, then this what it forms? It forms a acute angle. Suppose this is O, A, this is a ray, and if I extend here, suppose till B. So what it shows? This shows acute angle. That means from 0 degree when it starts, when the degrees are in between 0 degree and 90 degree. So this forms what? Acute angle. Okay, this forms acute angle when the degree is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Suppose 70 degree or 89 degree also. This is what? This forms acute angle because this comes in between 0 and 90 degree. So till here, this is what? Acute angle. Till here, acute angle. Till here, acute angle. Now I stop here. Okay, what it forms? This forms, you can see here, this forms when you keep the protractor, it forms exactly 90 degree. When it forms exactly 90 degree, then that is called right angle triangle. Okay, and we denote the symbol of right angle triangle as this because it is straight, upright position. So this is what? 90 degree right angle triangle. Now suppose if I further extend this ray to further from between 90 and this is a line here, suppose I go on extending. So what it forms? It forms obtuse angle which forms in between 90 degree and 180 degree. So the degrees which comes in between 90 degree and 180 degree forms obtuse angle. Suppose 165 degree or 175 degree or 95 degree. All these are what? Obtuse angles because this degrees position is in between 90 and 180 degree. Now suppose I further extend this fan till here. Okay. So what is this? What you can see from down? This is making this is making a straight line. O, B came here and A was here only. So this forms what? 180 degree, that is a straight angle. Starting from here, it ends till here. So again, with the help of the protractor also you can see it came till 180 degree. When you start here 0 degree, this is 180 degree. So this is called the straight angle, when the angle is exactly 180 degree. Now what if it is after 180 degree, if it falls after 180 degree? So what we have to do here is, this is the angle, okay, 0, A, B, 180 degree. When this angle moves little down, suppose this, then this angle is called reflex angle. What is called? Reflex angle. Okay, why? Because it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. That is, the slab of this is 180 to 360 degree. Okay, this is the slab of reflex angle. Suppose 270 degree or 305 degree. All these are under the slab of 180 to 360 degree, that is more than 180 but less than 360 degree. So this is called reflex angle. Okay, when this angle, suppose this is a line OA, when this line OB, it moves again till here, this forms one complete rotation, which I discussed earlier. This forms 360 degree. One complete rotation is called 360 degree, that is called complete angle. So this is what are the kinds of angles. Now coming towards our next concept. Now we will understand better with this clock. See, and whenever our hand changes or with the minute hand, then there is always angle which is formed, but we will never observe it. So let's start here. Suppose if our minute hand is on 12 and our hand is on 1, suppose. So what is the angle form here? This is the angle form. Now if we take this minute hand as a base angle, this arm we take as a base angle, then you can see here that 90 degree form is this portion. So this is less than 90 degree. That means the angle form, this is acute angle. The angle form here is what? Acute angle. Okay. Suppose now if the hour hand is at 3. Now it is 3 p.m. Now again here it forms an angle. Now you can see here this is a right angle. When you keep the protractor in this lower arm and when you see this line, this arm, then you will see this is 90 degree. It forms 90 degree. So the angle formed here is what? Right angle. Okay, this is 90 degree. Now suppose if the hour hand moves to, suppose the hour hand is at 5 o'clock. Okay, it is 5 o'clock now. Now the angle formed will be what? Keeping this as constant as a base angle for our purpose. Now the angle formed here is what? It is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. But less than 180 degree. So the angle formed here is what? Obtuse angle. This is what? Obtuse angle. Now suppose again our hand changes. How in our day, whole day the hour changes. We never observe that it keeps the changing of the angles also. So this is what 6 o'clock. Now you see from this base it came here. This is 180 degree. It forms an angle of 180 degree, which is the straight angle. What it forms? Straight angle. Okay. Now again, if this hour hand moves, if it moves to 8 o'clock, now the angle formed will be what? More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. This is not a one complete rotation. So the angle here formed is what? Reflex angle. And suppose if this hour hand, again if it turns to full 12 o'clock, this angle is what? One complete turn, that it forms 360 degree. Okay, so coming to our next concept. This is the next example. Here I had written here some alphabetical letters, all the alphabetical letters. So I will make you understand the angles which are formed in the letter. Okay, so suppose this is A, letter A. Acute angle is formed here. First we will check angle is formed or not. This is a common point and these are the two line segments. Okay, this is also a line, this is the common end points. Okay, so angle is formed here also, here also. So this is what? This is acute angle. I will write it as A. This is acute angle. O for obtuse angle. Now you can see if I keep this as a baseline, then this is more than 90 degree, and same with this. So this both angles are what? Obtuse angle. So letter A forms, we can see here both acute angle also and obtuse angle. Now letter B. Letter B, you can see here there is only one line and there is no other line here, because there should be two rays and there should be one common end point which will form an angle. So letter B, there is no angle formation in letter B. Even in C, this is a curve structure. D also, you can see here only one line with no other ray. There is no angle formation. Now coming towards the letter E. So for letter E, you can see here there is fixed point from where rays are coming out. So there is formation of angle here in letter E. So here it forms a right angle in letter E. Now coming towards the next letter F. Similarly for F also right angle is formed. G here no angle is formed because no two ray. H again you can see here. So right angle is formed in letter H. For I also same. Okay, so right angle is formed. For J you can see here there is no two ray, no angle is formed. For K here you can see that there are, I can see here acute angle also and obtuse angle also. So for letter K both acute and formation of obtuse angle. Okay, same like A. Now here for L, there is again a fixed point from which two rays are coming out, two line is coming out. So this is again right angle is formed in letter A. For M, letter M, again you can see here these are the points. So this is one angle, this is one angle. Now seeing this angle you can predict that this is less than 90 degree angle. So this is acute angle. Okay, same with N. It forms acute angle. O again it is a curvilinear figure. No angle is formed. For letter P. So P again you can see here there is no formation of any angle. Okay. For Q also there is no formation of angle. For R here now we have to check. R there is a angle formation and that too acute. Now seeing the angle you can predict, keeping one line as a baseline, you can see that if it is less than 90 degree, that means it is acute angle. S again no angle is formed. Then T, you can check here this is forming a right angle. U again, no angle is formed. Now we will check for the V. V again, you can see there is a fixed point, 2 rays. There is a formation of an angle here, and that too it is less than 90 degrees. So there is acute angle. For W again we will check. This is again 2 angle, acute angle. Now we'll check for X. X again, it is all less than 90 degree. So acute angle. For Y we will check now. Y, I can see here there is one angle here. Other angle is like this. So we can see here this portion forms acute angle, but this is more than 90 degree. So this is obtuse angle. Okay, so this is both acute and obtuse angle. For Z, again we can see here two angles which are very small, less than 90 degrees, so it forms an acute angle. Hope you understood my explanation. So please like my video, and if you are new to my video, so please subscribe, share and hit the bell icon, and any doubt you can just ping me in my YouTube comment box. Thank you.